The LGMG new product AS1413E greatly expands the working height of electric scissor lifts and improve the productivity for the operators in high applications. The maximum platform height is 13.8 meters, 45.3 feet. Two-person occupants, 320 kilograms, 705 pounds capacity. The LGMG AS1413E is equipped with efficient AC motor drive system, provides longer lasting performance and better gradability. It has zero inside turning radius due to the front turning wheels. AS1413E is designed for indoor and outdoor job applications. The stowed height of the machine does not exceed 2 meters, making it easy to pass through the door. Operators can drive it at full height. The forklift pockets on both sides make it easy to load and unload from most trucks, equipped with tilt alarm and emergency descent. Overload sensing system prevents platform overloading and stops the lift drive function if the maximum capacity is exceeded when elevated. Intelligent self-diagnostic system for quick troubleshooting. AS1413E has swing-out component trays for ease of access for maintenance. The waterproof level of key components reaches IP67. LGMG provides technical support, training programs, warranty and part sales to customers during the whole machine life cycle. For more information, visit our website en.lgmg.com.cn.